Hello everyone, I still my humble self Chukwuka Obelago, and I'm bringing this video presentation from the from the Billion Coin app. Okay, so there's a latest update by the TVC admin, and it's an update that every single TVcian who has paid their $10 fee needs to pay attention to. Okay, they need to pay attention to this because it's very important. Okay, you can go and read this on the Billion Coin app. If you have it, you can also go to the blog if you have the link to the blog. Okay, but I want you to, if you have the app, it's very important because you will get notifications when such important informations are given out. Okay, so as you can see, the admin in this post, the title is check one tiny box to get your send button turned on. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to assess how to go about this. But first of all, I need to just show you a summary of this article. You have to go and read the article fully by yourself. I'm just going to point out the important fact on this. You can see this image right here. All you need to do is tick this box and submit for you to have your send button turned on. Okay, and you can find it on this page. Okay, most of you don't know what this page is, so I'm going to take you do a practical exercise for you guys to see where to get this. Okay, all right, especially most of you who are using mobile devices. Okay, all right, so all you need to do is log into the website, see the member area menu, see if that item is there or not. Just check that tiny box. Within 24 hours your send button will be turned on. So guys, let me go and to you guys. The rest of you should go and read the blog. Okay, all right, read the blog and make sure you get the information clearly, because the admin has stated it clearly on the blog. Very important, and that's why you need the Billion Coin app, because you get immediate update from the TBC admin whenever there is a blog post. Okay, all right, so this is the Billion Coin app. This is the face of the Billion Coin app. Okay, you can see TBC policy, TBC support, wallet, Kringle Cash, blog, and about us. Okay, now I need you to click on about us, because about us takes you to the billioncoin.info, the website where you are going to see, where you're going to be able to log into your member area to be able to see where to read instruction and check the box and submit. Within 24 hours or more than that, you will have your send button turned on. Okay, all right, so you click on login. Okay, all right, so as you're waiting for it to load, make sure you have a good network in your area before you do this. Okay, now this is my member area in the billioncoin.info. Most of you have access to this page. Okay, if you don't have access to it, find a way to register. Okay, but once you log in with your details, it should be able to take you in. And I advise everyone to have same details across their Kringle Cash, their wallet. Okay, and also the billioncoin.info, because it's very important, so that you don't mix up information, or you don't mix up your login details and get confused, and the next thing you start applying for forgot password. Okay, so to be clear, this is the member area. Okay, now you can see this box here. This is the menu. Okay, you can see all this. Now, because I already have my send button on, okay, because I already have my send button on, you won't see this the send button page. Okay, you will see the send button option. Okay, but it's going to be in your menu. Now, once you see the send button in your menu, just like you see these items, okay, just like you see these options on the menu, when you click on it, it's going to open up to a page where you're going to see the instructions on how to use the send button. You now, after reading them, you scroll down to the bottom, you tick the checkbox. Okay, a tiny box, just tick it that you accept the terms and conditions. Okay, then you click submit. That's all it takes. Okay, now I won't be able to show you that because I already have a send button. Okay. All right. So let me go back to the blog post to show you how the image looks like, so that when you see the page, you will be able to understand. So I'm back to the blog. You see how easy it is to use the Billion Coin app. Oh, admin has another video up. Okay, beautiful. So this is what the image looks like. Okay, this is what you're going to see at the bottom. Okay, so you're going to tick this box and click submit. Now this is what, as you can see in my member area, you guys saw my menu. You can see home, members, formula, calculator, testimonial, broadcast, marketing, trusted seller references. Now this send button terms was omitted in my own member area because I already have a send button. Okay, now if you don't have a send button, you should see this button, this option in your menu. I'll show you how to access your menu. So when you go to your menu, you must see send button terms. When you see that, all you need to do is read this right here. Okay, please read this entire document for instructions and warnings. Very, very important. Okay, very, very important that you read this information. I won't be reading it to you guys. You guys have to go and read it through your own back office. Okay, now when you scroll down below this video, you're going to find this remaining part, this important part of that page. Okay, so but make sure you just don't scroll down. Make sure you read this information right here, because it's very, very important. Because most of you will have your send button, you commit one atrocity and your send button will be turned on and you'll be looking like, what did I do? Okay, the reason, if you don't want the send button to be turned off or for it to be suspended, make sure you read this instruction here, this send button terms, then tick the the checkbox after you to show that you have accepted the terms and responsibilities of the send button. Okay, by ticking it, you now submit, and automatically within 24 hours or 48 hours or 72 hours, your send button will be turned on. So guys, what are you waiting for? Rush to the billioncoin.info, log into your member area, go to your menu, select send button terms. When you select send button terms, read the article very clearly, scroll down to the bottom and tick the checkbox there to confirm that you have accepted the responsibility and the terms of having a send button. Then you submit. Okay, after you do that, you exercise your patience so that your send button will be turned on. Okay, now as you're waiting for your send button, remember this: you also have the ability to start shopping with your TBC in your wallet. All you need to do is buy TBC from me, okay, whether it's $25, $50 or $100, and automatically you will have access to shop on the Billion Coin Mart up to a maximum level of $200 worth of goods for gold membership, for purchasing $100. Okay, or you can go straight and subscribe to the membership if you don't want to buy TBC from us, and automatically you still have access. But I'm saying this so that you know that you now have where to spend your TBC. That you know that once you get your send button, it's not just about having it in your wallet. It can be functional either for selling your TBC or also paying for goods and services on the Billion Coin Mart. So till I come your way next time, I still remember my humble self, Chukwuka Obilago. Take care. Bye for now.